Hello friends, welcome to the channel. If you wish to learn how to resolve the PDF preview handler error, then let's look at the following solution. So my first solution would always be is to use uh, the software Adobe PDF Reader, or as they say Adobe Acrobat DC. So to use that application, if you do not have it, we have to download it. So how you download it is go to Windows Stores and look for Adobe PDF. Now this is the application Adobe Acrobat Reader DC. Click on it, and if it's not installed, install it. Now once we use this, no such error should show up, but if it does, then what we need to do is we need to update the Adobe Acrobat if it's coming in this software also. So how we do that is we go to help, check for updates, and update is ready. We have to click on install, and this error should disappear. But if it doesn't, which is a very rare case, then we should do a disk cleanup. So how we do that is we look for cleanup. Okay, click on all the boxes and click OK and delete files, and this should solve the problem and the error should no longer show. If this video helped you, then please subscribe to the channel and enjoy your day.